Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 2.4 question number 4. Let us find question number 4 is factorize. Here question number 1 is it is middle term factor. Number 1 is 12x square minus 7x plus 1. This is middle term factor. What do we do? We have to find one number such that p and q, p multiply q, pq is equal to, this is 12 into 1, that is 12 into 1 is equal to 12, and p plus q equal to minus 7. P plus q is equal to minus 7. Right? If we factorize this number 12, then we are getting 12 can be written as 1 into 12, or 12 can be written as 2 into 6. 12 can be written as 2 into 6. 2 into 6. 2 into 6, 6 to the 12. Or 12 can be written as 3 into 4 is equal to 12. 3 into 4 is equal to 12. That means we can find in this way that PQ can be written as 3 into 4, 12, and P plus Q is minus 3 and minus 4, that is comes to minus 7. Therefore, we are getting 12x square. 12x square. It is 12x square minus 3x minus 4x plus 1. Here you see minus 3 plus minus 4 is minus 7, and minus 3 into minus 4 is 12. Here we factorize here minus 3 into minus 4, that is plus 12. Then we are getting, if we take common 3x as common, 3x as common, we are getting x. We are taking 3x as common, then 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12. X minus 1. If we take minus 1 as common, minus 1, then 4x minus 1. The minus 4x minus into minus is plus 1. Now we are taking 4x minus 1 as common, that is 4x minus 1 as common. Then 4x minus 1 into 3x minus 1, 3x minus 1. This is the middle term factor, right there. Therefore, the answer is 3x minus 1 into 4x minus 1. This is the answer. Let's solve question number 2. Question number 2 here you see is, question number 2 is 2x square plus 7x plus 3. The same way we can find PQ. PQ is equal to 2 into 3. This is the middle term factor. 2 into 3, it is 6. And P plus Q, P plus Q is equal to 7. We find a factor of 6, that is 1 into 6. 1 into 6 is equal to 6. And 2 into 3 is equal to 6. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Then you can find here that in this way that 2x square plus p plus q is 7, that is 1 plus 6 is 7, or 1x x plus 6x 6x 1 plus 6x plus 3. You see, we got p plus q 7, that is 1 plus 6 is 7, and 1 into 6 is also 6, that is pq is equal to 6, right? Therefore, if we take x as common, then we are getting 2x plus 1. 2x, we are getting 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1 plus, take 3 as common, and 3 2 is 6, x plus 1. If we take 2x plus 1 as common, is equal to 2x plus 1 plus 1 into x plus 3. That is the answer of question number 2. That is 2x plus 1 into x plus 3. We will solve question number 3. We will solve question number 3. Question number 3, here you see is, question number 3 is 6x squared. 6x squared plus 5x minus 6. First multiply p into q. pq is given as 6 into minus 6. Minus 6. The 6 is a minus 36. Minus 36. And p plus q. p plus q is equal to, here you see, that is 5. You have to find the factors of 36. Right? To find the factors of 36. Let us find the factors of 36 here. That is, 36 can be written as 1 into 36 is equal to 36. 36. 2 into 18 is equal to 36. We are getting the factors of 36. 3 into 12 is also 36. And 4 into 9. 4 9 is 36. We have to find here that p plus q is equal to 5. That means plus 9 minus 4, right? Plus 9 minus 4 is 5, right? That we are getting 6x square, 6x square plus 9x minus 4x. 9x minus 4x is 5x. If we add 9 minus 4, then we are getting 5, and 9 into 4 is 36, right? Therefore, minus 6, then we are getting, take common 3x, and we are getting x plus 3. And here you take, here we are getting 3x common, that is 2x. 2x plus 3. Take minus 2 as common, minus 2 as common. Then 2 to the 4, 2x minus is there, plus 3. 2 3 is 6. Minus into plus is minus. Therefore, we are getting 2x plus 3. 2x plus 3 into 3x minus 2. 3x minus 2. That is the answer of question number 3. 3x minus 4. 3x 2. 2x plus 3 into 3x minus 2. That is the answer of question number 3. We will solve question number 4. Question number 4 is, here you see, question number 4 is 3x square minus x minus 4. Then we are getting pq is equal to 3 into minus 4 into 3 into minus 4. 3 into minus 4, that is 3 4 is 12. 12, right? And p plus q is equal to minus 1, right? If you find the factors of 12, we are getting 1 into 12 is equal to 12. 1 into 12 is equal to 12. 2 into 6, 2 6 is 12. 3 into 4, 3 into 4, it is also 12. But we have to find minus 1. It is minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1. Therefore, we are getting 3x square, 3x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 4. Therefore, we are getting, take common x, we are getting 3x minus 4 minus 1 plus 1, it is 3x minus 4, 3x minus 4. And we are getting 3x minus 4, 3x minus 4 into x plus 1 into x plus 1. That is the answer of question number 4. Therefore, the answer is 3x minus 4 into x plus 1. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.